Hi, I'm Caitlin Milton, and my hobby is game design. I got involved in game design when I started taking classes at Bellevue College, and then I got more and more interested in it actually, and it started to become kind of an obsession. So, I download games and play them for a while, just, for a little while to see what they're like and try to figure out how they built them. I think I chose this hobby because it was something that was fun. I have been working in IT for a long time, and I got really tired of working really hard on something that was just boring in the end, and I didn't have anything I could show anyone. And with games, at least, you can play it, you can get something out of it. The thing I like best about it is the creative aspect. I like to draw, and I like to create 3D models, and I also like designing levels. So the whole process of coming up with a creative experience for the player is what I'm after. It's sort of like trying to capture the same experience you get when you're watching a movie or reading a book you really like or having a great conversation, and try to roll that all into one thing and put it into a game. My favorite games are mostly puzzle games and things that are mostly like platformers or 2D, which is really strange because the games I like to work on are more of the 3D RPG things that are like Final Fantasy or Shroud of the Avatar, that sort of thing, where you're building something that looks mostly realistic or a little bit cartoony, but it's not flat. The 2D game thing is probably because I play a lot on my mobile device or my iPad or something. And but when I have the time and I can relax, then I like to get into the larger multiplayer role-playing games online. They're more absorbing. They really bring you into their world and make it feel like you're part of something bigger than you really are. If you were interested in getting into this sort of hobby or even do it as a career, probably the best first steps would be to download some of the tools, which you can get free as a student, and start playing with them and watching video tutorials. There's plenty on YouTube, of course, but for example, Unity actually has an entire set of tutorials that you can go online and watch from start to finish. They even teach you how to code, so you could set up a small game of your own probably in less than a month using the stuff you can download from them. Ultimately, game design is a way to incorporate a whole bunch of different talents into one, to take your storytelling, your art skills, technical skills, and kind of squash them all together and make something that you and other people can appreciate for a long time after.